Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can stop people from enlarging your Instagram profile picture. So let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Once Instagram is open, tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner to go to your profile. Now look at the top right corner of your profile page and tap the three-line menu. This will open Instagram's settings and other account options. From here, look for Account Privacy and tap on it. Inside the privacy settings, you'll find different options that control how other people can interact and view your profile. Scroll through the available options and look for Allow Profile Picture Expansion. This setting controls whether other Instagram users can enlarge or expand your profile picture when they view your profile. If you don't want people to enlarge your profile picture, simply tap the toggle next to Allow Profile Picture Expansion to turn it off. Once the toggle is disabled, Instagram will stop allowing other users to expand your profile picture. And that's it. We've successfully changed the privacy setting and prevented other Instagram users from enlarging our profile picture. If you ever want to allow people to expand your profile picture again, just return to the same account privacy settings and turn the Allow Profile Picture Expansion option back on. Keep in mind that Instagram can sometimes move or rename settings after app updates. So if you don't see the option immediately, make sure your Instagram app is updated and check the privacy settings again. That's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.